Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ali Creative. Today I'll show you how to create this stunning presentation in PowerPoint. Are you excited to learn? Let's get started. First, let's start by creating our base shape. Click on Shapes and select the hexagon. Draw the hexagon on your slide. Now we are going to duplicate this hexagon multiple times to create our custom shape. Duplicate, simply hold down the Control key and drag the hexagon. Once you arrange the hexagon into your desired shape, select all of them by pressing Ctrl A, then group it by pressing Ctrl G. With the group shape selected, go to the Shape Format tab. In the Shape Outline drop-down, click on No Outline to remove the border. Next, click on Shape Fill and choose Picture or Texture Fill. From here, select Stock Images and search for Desert. Pick an image that you like and click Insert. To make the slide look cohesive, let's change the background color to match the desert theme. I'm going with a light sandy color to keep it natural and clean. Now let's add some text to our slide. Click on Shapes and select the text box. Draw a text box on your slide and type the word desert. Change the font size to 88 to make it stand out. For the font, I'm using Checked Sandwich FM, which gives it a fun thematic look. Let's duplicate the text. Hold down the Control key and drag the text box to create a copy. Reduce the font size of the duplicated text. Change the font to Cactus Sandwich Fill FM. Resize and position the smaller text below the main title. And that's how you create a professional creative slide in PowerPoint using shapes, image, and text. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Ali Creative for more tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what kind of design you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.